Hello friends, in this video I shall be taking up a very interesting concept. This concept is a 4 by 4 magic square. Now you all know what is a magic square, right? We write some numbers in a particular matrix like this, and the sum of those numbers in each row, in each column is same. That's known as a magic square. This concept of magic square finds a place in junior class curriculum, but there we have very basic magic squares. Now what we are going to do here is to create magic squares from the date of birth. Yes, even you can create a magic square from your date of birth. You want to know how? Just watch this video till the end. I'm sure you are going to learn a lot of things from this particular video. So for taking an example, I'll write 16 numbers in this matrix, 4 by 4 matrix, and then explain what is so special about this magic square. The first row has 22 in the first cell, 12 in the second, then 18 in the third, and 87 in the fourth. The second row has 88, 17, 9, and then a 25. Then in the third row, we have 10, 24, 89, 16, 19, 86, 23, and 11. Now the special thing about this magic square, 3 or 4 obvious things are there that I'll write first. Sum of all numbers in a row. So 22, 32, 34, 44, 52, 52 and 89 is 139. So every row the sum will be same, 139. So that's very basic, right? Nothing new in that. Sum of all numbers in a column, that's again very normal. 22, 110, 120, 139. So again 139. So every column has sum 139. So 4 plus 4, 8 times the sum is 139. Now come to the sum of the numbers along the diagonals. Again, this is also known to you. 22, 39, okay, 128 and 11, 139. So again, 139. You can check this diagonal also. This will also be 139. Now the special thing about this particular 4 by 4 magic square. Actual thing starts from here. So keep watching. If you have a 4 by 4 matrix which I have drawn like this, so I am drawing yet another just to represent which 4 numbers will have the sum as 139. Okay. Apart from these 3, the first one is just check the 4 corners. So corners 22, 109, 128 and 139. So again corners has the sum 139, the 4 corners. Then come to, I'll just remove this. Take these 4 numbers along the opposite edges, the center numbers. 12 and 18 is 30. So this is 116 and 23, again 139. Take these 4 numbers, 88, 98, 108, 114, 139. Again 139. You want more? The fun is not over. Just keep watching. Okay. You have seen these 4 and these 4 now. Now come to symmetrical like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check these 4. This is 100. 16 and 23 is 39. So 139 again. Likewise, you can check symmetry like this. 18 and 25 is 43. 53 and 86 is again 139. Yet another important thing. Then check the 4 numbers in the center. 89, 98, 108, 115 and 24. 139 again. Still not over. There are some more patterns. You can see I'm drawing it again. You will be surprised how many times 139 exists in this magic square. Check the 4 numbers like a Sudoku. Here we have these 4 numbers. 110 and 29 is 139. Check these 4. Again 139. Check these 4. Again 139. And now check these 4. Again 139. So many different patterns. And as if this is over now, right? No. There are 2 more patterns which you can locate in this particular magic square. We have taken squares like this, right? So take squares like this and like this. Just try with them. Again, you are going to find the sum of those numbers as 139 only. Very, very interesting. And apart from the traditional rules of the magic square, these 3, so many different patterns are there in which that sum of 139 is obtained. You know why this is more important? Because this was propounded by the mathematics genius Srinivas Ramanujan. And why I call this trick as magic square from date of birth? This particular row, the first row which I have written here, so that particular row is actually 22nd December 1887. So 22nd December 1887. This is actually the date of birth of the great Srinivas Ramanujan. And when he propounded this magic square and told us about so many different patterns which exist in this magic square, he told us the reason also, and he gave us the trick to make your own magic square. Okay, so now let's try and take our own date of birth and try to find a magic square which satisfies all these conditions which are satisfied by the magic square written here. So I'll just tell you the method through which you can draw your own magic square, and you can try with your own date of birth. I'm sure you are going to get an amazing result, and you can amaze your friends by showing them this particular trick. What you have to do is you have to write your date of birth like 22nd, month of birth, so 12 December. If you have a month like July, so it will be 07. Then the century year, like he has 18, so century, and the year. So DD, MM, CC, YY. This is the format in which you have to write your 4 double digits, and they have to be double digits. If they are single digits, you have to prefix a 0, and that can happen in the date and the month. Now, how do we write the other numbers? You know, when we have the date here, then date plus 3, whatever is the date plus 3, that number should come here. See, 22 plus 3 is 25. Date plus 2 should come here. You can see 22 plus 2, 24. and date plus 1 will come here. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, 22, 23. That will give you the next three numbers. Now come to the month. Month minus 3 will come here. So you can see 12 minus 3 is 9. Month minus 2 will come here. You can see 22. Okay, 12 minus 2 is 10. And finally, month minus 1 will come here. You can see 12 minus 1 is 11. Likewise, taking into consideration the century year, 1 less than that will come here, C minus 1. 2 less than that will come here. You can verify from here. 18 minus 1 is 17, 18 minus 2 is 16, and 18 plus 1 is 19. So C plus 1 comes here. And finally, the year minus C to 87, 88. So year plus 1, right? Then this column 89. So 87 becomes 89. So year plus 2. And finally 87 becomes 86 here. So year minus 1. This is the amazing rule through which you can all make a magic square from your own date of birth. I tried making one and I succeeded. For example, I went with my date of birth, which is 18 July 1973. So 18 July is 07, or you can write 7, no issues. 1973. Okay, now date plus 3, 21, date plus 2, 20, date plus 1, 19. Month minus 3, so month is 7, right? So minus 3 is 4, month minus 2, so 7 minus 2 is 5, and month minus 1, 7 minus 1 is 6. Now come to the century year, C minus 1, so 19 minus 1 is 18, which comes here. C minus 2, so 19 minus 2 is 17, and C plus 1, so 19 plus 1 is 20. And finally the year, 73 plus 1 is 74, which comes here, plus 2 is 75, which comes here, and minus 1 is 72, which comes here. Now if you watch carefully, all these patterns which I have told you here, they will be followed in this particular magic square. Whether you take the corners or the diagonals or the rows or the columns or the boxes like this, or the symmetrical portions like this or like this, boxes here, everywhere the sum will be same. So you can verify what is the sum here. This is 75, 80, 100, 117. So in this case, from my date of birth, I am getting a sum of 117 along all sides which I have mentioned just now. This is something very, very unusual and very, very interesting, propounded by the great Srinivas Ramanujan. So friends, these are the videos we need to follow to develop that particular kind of mathematical aptitude we should have towards maths, and these do help you in creating interest among the junior students. Especially for the teachers, they should follow all these videos and use them in the classroom to develop mathematical aptitude in junior students so that they don't struggle with mathematics at higher level. So friends, if you like this video of magic squares from date of birth, do try this with your date of birth and see what is the sum of all the numbers you are getting along all these directions. And don't forget to share it with your friends so that they can also amaze their own friends and surprise them with such nice tricks. So friends, thanks for watching this, and I hope you are sharing all the videos of this channel. Let's spread Vedic maths in the world. And of course, if you subscribe the channel, you have to click the bell icon also to get the notifications of all future uploads. Thanks for watching this, friends.